Whenever you're solving a problem, whether in project or in your own life, if you follow a structured approach, the chances of success increases multiple fold. There's always an organized way of solving problem that helps you in solving the problem in the best way possible. Let us try to understand that step by step approach. The first thing is to understand the problem. It is said that a well understood problem is half solved. So if you can spend some time thinking about the problem, what the problem is, you will have a greater understanding of the problem. And if you know the problem, chances are more that you will solve the problem. The second step is to analyze for the root cause. Try to understand why the problem happened. At first, when you start doing it, you may not know exactly why the problem happened. So you would be discussing with the team, you would be discussing with some subject matter experts, and you would try to understand multiple potential causes. Within that, you will start eliminating whatever is not applicable, and ultimately you will reach the root cause of the problem. Once you know why the problem happened, then it is better to discuss with the team, bring people together, and brainstorm the solutions. Okay, this problem has happened because of this reason. What could be the solution? Once you have understood the solutions, then you will have to prioritize the solution. Whichever solution is the most effective given the constraints in your project, that is what you will apply. So once the solution is done, then you will prioritize the solutions. That yes, this is the solution that we want to try first. Once you have done that, you will prepare an action plan. How should we handle these solutions? How are we going to implement the solution? Once you have the action plan, all you need to do is implement that solution. So once you have understood the problem, you go through root cause, understand the solution, prioritize the solution, develop an action plan, and then you implement the solution. You don't directly jump to the solution itself. And this is not where it ends. Once you have implemented the solution, it is very, very important that you check whether the solution was successful or not. This is also not where it ends. Once you have checked the solution is successful and everything, you would need to document whatever lesson that you have learned through this exercise so that for future, you, your team, or any other project manager does not make the same mistake. So learning and documenting about the problem that we have learned closes the loop, which is a very, very important skill for any project professional. If you like these tips, do let me know by putting up the comments so that I can create more such short videos to help you remind about things that you already know and help you prepare for the exam. Thank you so much.